Alright, I just want to make a quick little video showing how you can grow tropical fruit outside the tropics. We got this banana here, and it's surrounded by walls outside. This one too. These both made it through the frost. They'll be fine, they'll start growing pretty soon. And then if you look over here, I have a banana that wasn't by a wall. And this one will come back. You can see the little bit of green on it. I just want to show you. So that's being another 15 feet away from the wall. You can see how much more the cold affected it. But that one will come back. But I want to show you out in the yard. If you go a little further out here, I got another banana. And this was in an even colder spot. And this is why where you decide to plant stuff is so important. If you're trying to kind of push the zone a little bit, if you're trying to grow tropicals and you don't live in the tropics, you can do it. You can get away with stuff if you grow by a south wall, use heavy mulch, you have windbreaks. Even if you, it's kind of amazing what you can get away with. But here's our other banana, and I would say this is actually one of the coldest parts of the yard. There's like wilderness right over here, but even this stuff got toasted in the frost. But this will come back. It just is gonna take a while, and this is really gonna stunt our banana production. So you can see there's a tiny bit of green in there. It's still alive, but that's how they handle the frost, and that's why you wanna use your walls, use your mulch, and use the sun too. So enjoy.